please. Please. We have national tree.
Kimne? Bozovu. Kurmaça. Kurmaça.
Ha, kurmaça.
We have three mountains, three peaks. Jergalan, Akbulak and Bozuchuk. So this distance from Bishkek, 420 kilometers. From Karakol to Jergalan to this place is 60 kilometers. So total project area is more than 2,000 hectares of land. It's not only ski resort. It will be 4 seasons resort. Total 2,050 kilometers of ski slopes, ski pistes, over 7,000 rooms. So we're now starting 5-star hotel, 4-star hotel, and 3-star hotels. Over 2 million tourists per year. It's only first phase, Jirgalan, 120 kilometers. You know, in China, Changbaschan, only 40 kilometers. You already ski in Karakol yesterday, 20 kilometers only. In Russia, in Sochi, Roza Khutor ski resort, 105. And Turkey, 55. So in Central Asia, Russia, and the Asia, it will be big ski resort with only first phase with only 120 kilometers of ski slopes.
Yalnızca ikinci to, ama üçüncü to. Yani prezentasyada görgözmedi mi? Üçü biri getir.
So in the project there's second stage and the third stage as well. So second mountain, third mountain. They'll all be connected with chairs. There won't be needed any car.
Al iki fazlalı da şu cevdeki de, modeldeki de eme olur. İnfrastruktür olur.
And in every mountain there will be the same thing as here. Own village, its own new hotels, new restaurants and everything.
It's big. It's very nice snow.
I was totally karaya taşkındı.
Gettik abi. This is the best snow I've had in my life. It's one of the best in the world.
Would you invite your friends here in Kyrgyzstan?
Absolutely, absolutely. This is one of the best mountains I've been to. Yeah, it's a great place for a resort.
What do you think about the progress of virtual assets in Kyrgyzstan?
Virtual assets is progressing really well in Kyrgyzstan. There's a KGST stablecoin, there's exchange regulations, and then there's tokenization that's efforts on the way as well. So it's progressing pretty well.